Welcome to Mindful Growth Studio, your daily step towards a better you. This morning, we'll begin our day with a calming meditation to bring clarity, intention, and peace into the hours ahead. Find a comfortable seated position, whether it's on your mat, a cushion, or even on your bed. Gently close your eyes. Rest your hands softly in your lap or on your knees. Take this moment to settle in. Feel your body relax into stillness. Inhale deeply. Exhale fully. Let go of any tension or heaviness you might be holding. With your next breath, bring awareness to the sensations within you. Notice the temperature of the air as it flows in through your nostrils. Feel the subtle coolness as you inhale and the warmth as you exhale. Listen to the soft sound of your breath. Feel its gentle vibration within your body. Allow yourself to ground deeply into this moment. This is the beginning of a new day. May it be filled with peace, joy, and presence. Turn your focus inward. Let go of any distractions. Release any thoughts about what the day might hold. For now, there is nothing to do, but simply be. Breathe in deeply and exhale softly. As we welcome this new day, remember that while we can't always control what happens around us, we have full control over how we respond. Let this awareness guide you. Stay connected to your inner calm, your strength, and your love. May every choice you make today come from a place of kindness, compassion, and clarity. Inhale deeply. Exhale fully. Feel yourself becoming lighter with each breath. Let any tension, stress, or negative energy melt away. Surrender it. Release it from your mind, your body, and your energy field. Now visualize a radiant light entering your body with each inhale. A light filled with love, peace, and joy. Feel this light filling every cell of your being, expanding gently with each breath. As you sink deeper into this stillness, let your thoughts come and go. There's no need to push them away. In this peaceful state, begin to visualize your day ahead. See it unfolding with ease, purpose, and positivity. What do you wish to achieve today? What moments of joy will you create for yourself and others? Watch your day unfold in your mind like a gentle flowing story. Let it be filled with intention, love, and grace. Breathe in deeply. Exhale softly. Stay here in this moment of stillness and connection. Slowly, begin to bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Notice the calm beating of your heart. Inhale deeply. Exhale fully. As we close this meditation, remember that this peaceful energy is always within you. No matter where your day takes you, you can return to this calm, this breath at any time. Thank you for joining me at Mindful Growth Studio for this morning meditation. May your day be filled with light, joy, and beautiful moments. Namaste.